Hiya, welcome to another allotment video, allotment diary, allotment vlog, whatever. It's 6 o'clock, it is kind of cold today. I'm heading over now. I went there yesterday, I didn't film, I wasn't really in the mood. What did I do? I'll show you. This is what I did. I dug up the weeds again, so turned over the soil. This has already been turned over once. I mean, what a great job I did the first time round. Did it again, and then I put the sheet down. And today I brought with me some of this lovely wood chip from Lidl that I picked up today when we went food shopping. As you can see, we need a little bit more compost than this. And I had some great advice on one of my comments on one of my last videos, saying that I should use the bags from the compost and line the inside of the bed with it, which is what I'm going to do. See, I kept all the bags. I do listen to advice. But I got a lot of things to get on my car, so I'm going to borrow someone else's wheelbarrow. I don't have one yet. That didn't go to plan. Anyway, now that's done, I think I'm gonna measure the side of the boards and then cut out the plastic I need and staple it. It's nice to actually be able to sit down because of this, you know? I'm also a really big fan of Emma's allotment diaries, so when she said you need a staple gun for an allotment, I listened. Done. Now I'm just gonna fill it with the compost I bought. Not sure if that's enough. I'm just gonna rake it and see where it goes. Okay, question time. Alright, I bought compost bags, like grow bags. I bought grow bags instead of the compost because it was cheaper, and now I'm starting to think maybe there's a reason, because the compost I put in the other day is a lot thinner and like more crumbly, and then this one is a little bit more, it's got a stick in it. Don't know if you can tell, you've got like less broken down on this side opposed to like this side. Again, might be nothing, but if you could let me know if I've made a big mistake, that'd be great, because it's too late anyway, but at least I know now for the other like 6 or 7 beds. It looks proper profesh now. I watched a video of Charles Dowden. I watched him stand over his bed, so I'm gonna do the same. Because if Charles is doing it, I'm doing it. There you go. And because of the rain, I'm gonna water it now as well. I think I'm just gonna move these over here now. And the rain's really coming down. Also, I still haven't bought a water butt, but hopefully this will do the job. Collect the water, please, thanks. Okay, so the 4 bags of bark didn't stretch very far. I've literally just done like the one side, so I'm gonna need that, and then the other side of the bed on that side, let alone like the rest of the plot. But I've tried to make a bit of an effort with a little bit of a border, some of the rocks I found. Also, if you can like ease my worry, is bark, and I know bark and wood chip are different, but there's nothing wrong with me using bark, is there? You can just let me know, because I'll lose sleep if I get evicted because I've used bark. Oh God. I think I've done something wrong. I brought a bag of potato starts, potato seeds, seed potatoes. I brought some of them down with me because I was like, I'm in an iron whether or not to like pot them up today if I had some leftover compost. Turns out I don't have extra compost to use, and now they're soaking. And they're a bit soft. I don't know if that's a bad thing. I'm gonna take them home anyway, but let me know if I've completely destroyed them. Probably. How cute is this though? When I got here earlier, the owners of the top plots just like said, grab as much rhubarb as you want. In fairness, they do have a lot. There's like that, that and that. But still, that's so nice. Any recipes, guys, let me know. I am absolutely soaking, and as you can hear, it is tipping down rain. So thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you, bye.